Let's read short vowel E words. The sound of short vowel E is A. A, D, ed. Ed word family. B, A, D, bed. F, A, D, fade. R, A, D, red. W, A, D, wed. I fed the red hen and then went to bed. En word family words. A, n, n. A, n, hen. P, A, n, pen. T, A, n, ten. N, men. D, A, n, den. I have 10 pens in my desk. Et word family. Eight, it. P, eight, pit. Eight, net. J, eight, jet. W, eight, wet. V, eight, wet. I took my pet to the vet. Ell word family. A, L, L. B, A, L, bell. S, A, L, smell. W, A, L, well. S, A, L, sell. Y, A, L, yell. S, A, L, sell. The girl yelled into the well. Ache, ache. ECK word family. Ache, neck. Ch, ache, check. D, ache, deck. P, ache, pick. The little bird picked at the wood deck. E and D word family. A, nt, end. B, a, nd, bend. Sp, a, nd, spend. S, a, nd, send. L, a, nd, lend. B, l, a, nd, blend. I lent some money to Tom to spend. A, st, est. R, a, st, rest. Ch, a, st, chest. V, a, st, vest. T, a, st, test. A, st, nest. The baby bird rested in the nest.